Hi, myself Pushpa. Today I am going to explain Ball-Simon reaction. These are the contents: introduction, reaction, mechanism. Introduction. In the year 1927, the German chemist Gunther Balz and Gunther Simon introduced the Ball-Simon reaction as a way to form fluoroaryls via pyrolysis of a diazonium trifluoroborate as intermediate. Reaction. It is a reaction of anilines to aryl fluorides via benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate as intermediate. When aniline treated with sodium nitrate and fluoroboric acid under 0 degree centigrade undergo diazotization, forms benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate as intermediate. On heating, forms fluoroaryls. Fluoroaryls cannot be synthesized by direct fluorination of benzene via electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction because the reaction is very violent and it cannot be controlled easily. Mechanism. In the first step, sodium nitrate treated with fluoroboric acid forms nitrous acid and sodium tetrafluoroborate. In the second step, the nitrogen atom of aniline attacks the electrophilic nitrogen atom of nitrous acid with its lone pair of electrons, forms a dipolar compound. In the third step, the negatively charged oxygen atom picks up a proton from the solvent and forms a NN dihydroxyphenylhydrazine. In the fourth step, NN dihydroxyphenylhydrazine undergo intramolecular proton exchange occurs between nitrogen and oxygen atom, forms NN dihydroxyphenylhydrazine derivative. In the fifth step, NN dihydroxyphenylhydrazine derivative lost its water molecule and the benzylic nitrogen atom forms a coordinate bond with the electron deficient nitrogen atom, forms N-hydroxyphenylhydrazine. In the sixth step, N-hydroxyphenylhydrazine undergo intramolecular proton exchange occurs between nitrogen and oxygen atoms, forms N-hydroxyphenyldiazine. In the seventh step, N-hydroxyphenyldiazine lost its water molecule and benzylic nitrogen atom forms a coordinate bond with the electron deficient nitrogen atom, forms diazonium tetrafluoroborate. In the eighth step, diazonium tetrafluoroborate lost its nitrogen gas and forms a aryl cation. In the ninth step, tetrafluoroborate ion gives a fluoride ion to the aryl cation to give fluorobenzene. Thank you.